Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel. So today topic is we will guide you how to fix Helldriver 2 social tab not working. When playing Helldriver 2 social tab is an essential feature for teaming up with friends and joining multiplayer session. So however some players might encounter issue with the social tab not functioning properly. So in this particular video we will explore some effective method to troubleshoot this problem. First solution is check your internet connection. Another possible reason for be a problem with your internet connection. If your internet connection is slow or unstable, it can cause issue with web page and application. So to check your internet connection, first you have to open a new tab in your browser. Once and now if the web click on the new website, if the web page load slowly or not at all, there may be an issue with your internet connection. So try resetting your modem or router by unplugging it and plugging it back in after a few seconds. Once your internet connection is stable, so you have to again try hell driver to check social tab working is not. And second solution is update your hell driver 2. Developer often releases patches and update to fix bugs to improve game performance. Ensure that Helldriver 2 is updated to the latest version. You can check for the update on your respective platform, be it Steam, PlayStation, or other service that offer the game. And third solution is disable and enable crossplay in Helldriver. If Helldriver 2 support crossplay, toggling it off and on again can sometimes resolve issue with the social tab. You can usually find the crossplay setting within the game's option or network setting menu. Pause Hell Driver to navigate to the upper menu and select option. So click on the gameplay section and find crossplay. In toggle off the feature of position and now enable it again. Fourth solution is verify Hell Driver to game PC. If you are playing on PC via platform like Steam, you can verify the integrity of the games file. This process will check the corrupted or missing games file in and repair them if necessary. In Steam, right click on the Hell Driver 2 in your library, select Properties, navigate to the Local File tab, and click Verify Integrity of Games Files. Fifth solution is check for server issue of Hell Driver 2. Sometimes the issue might not be on end. Check if there are any known server outages or maintenance period that could be affecting the social tab functionally. You can usually find the information on the game official social media channel. And sixth solution is adjust firewall and antivirus setting for Helldriver 2. Your firewall or antivirus software might be blocking Helldriver 2 from accessing the internet properly. Add an exception for Helldriver 2 if your firewall and antivirus setting to ensure it's not being restricted. First, you have to disable window firewall for Helldriver 2. You have to follow the instruction on the screen to disable window firewall. And now disable antivirus for Helldriver 2 also. You have to follow the instruction to disable your antivirus software. And now move to seventh solution. Change NAT type. A stick NAT means network address translation. Type can limit your ability to connect with other player online. Changing your NAT type can help improve connectivity. For most games, not home network, the NAT type is controlled by a router setting. Here's a general guide on how to adjust it. So you have to follow the instruction to change your NAT type in your Helldriver 2. Eighth solution is clear console caches. If you are playing on a console, clearing the system cache can sometimes fix issue with game functioning. For PlayStation, turn off your console completely, unplug the power cord from the back of the console. Wait for the couple of minutes, then plug it back in and restart the console. For Xbox, so you have to press and hold the power button in the front of the console and unplug the power brick from the back of the Xbox. Wait for a couple of minutes, then plug it back in and turn it on the console. And ninth solution is contact support of Helldriver 2. If you are still unable to access the social tab after trying all these steps, it may be time to contact the support team of Helldriver. So you have to click on this link on this support team. Now we are on the Arrowhead support team of the Helldriver 2. You have to submit a request of your problem. So they can provide you more additional troubleshooting step and may be aware of any widespread issue affecting the social tech. So I hope this video very helpful for your problem. So thank you for watching this video. We will catch you in next video.